Find the value of 50 plus 2a divided by 9 divided by 14a minus 3 divided by 5 when a equals 2. To do this question, copy down the original first, okay? 50 plus 2a over 9 plus, divide by 14a minus 3 over 5. Okay, copy down the original. After that, substitute all the value of a inside. So this will give us 50 plus 2. Instead of writing a, write down 2 because the value of a is 2 over 9. Everything else remain the same. Okay, instead of writing 14a, write 14 bracket 2 minus 3 over 5. Okay, now what will this give us? This will give us 50 plus 2 times 2 will be 4. Okay, over 9 divide by 14 times 2 will give us 28. 28 minus 3 over 5. Okay, sorry, the divide sign is not clearly written. Okay, and then carry on. 50 plus 4, 54 over 9 divide by 28 minus 3 will give us 25. 25 over 5. Okay, now next. Simplify each fraction first. 54 over 9, that will give us 6. Okay, divided by 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. So it's 6 divided by 5. So 6 divided by 5, just put in fraction form, is 6 over 5. And then this is improper fraction, right? You cannot leave the answer in improper fraction. Change it to proper fraction. So this will be, okay, if you do not know how to change, I'm going to teach you how to change now, okay? Take numerator divided by denominator. So it's 6 divided by 5. Just do this, okay? So 1, 5 minus 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, so remainder is 1, right? So it's 1 over dividend. Remainder over dividend. So it's 1 over 5. Okay, so it's 1 and 1 over 5. Ta-da! Done. Okay, so if you're a parent watching this, please remember, ensure that they know how to substitute. And then make sure they simplify all the ones in the bracket first. And after they simplify the one in the brackets, add them up, do all the operations within each level first. Okay, then start dividing. And if your child do not know how to change from improper fractions to proper fractions, sorry, this is a mixed number, use the long division method. Okay, done.